Hi everyone, welcome back to another video where I will be teaching the Japanese method with examples. If you haven't watched the first video, please watch it where I explained how to properly use the Japanese multiplication method. So in this video, I'll be doing a few examples of the Japanese multiplication. For the first example, let's take a 3-digit number. Multiply it with a 2-digit number. So the first step requires us to draw our vertical line for the first number, meaning that we will have three groups for the first number of vertical lines. For the first digit for the first number is a 1, second digit 2 vertical lines, third digit 3 vertical lines, before we move on, just a disclaimer, the video will be a bit wobbly since I am holding the phone while recording. I'm holding it with my left hand. So let's continue. And then the second step requires us to draw horizontal lines for the second digit. So we have 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the second digit, 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the way I prefer to do my Japanese multiplication method is by drawing a table for my place values. So I will have my units here, my tens, my hundreds, my thousands, my 10,000, and then an extra one. So the first step to our solution requires us to start at the bottom right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I will skip a few steps, and don't worry if you are lost. Please refer back to the previous video. I'll try and post the link to that video along with this video. Please refer back to that video. I don't want to repeat myself here because I want to do a few examples so you guys can get used to doing the Japanese multiplication method properly. So like I said, like we calculated here, we calculated 12 intersections. So we would write out 2 and carry over 1. Since our 12 consists of tens and units, with the 1 being the tens and the 2 being the units. The next step is very important because it involves calculating the cross sections of the diagonals. It's very simplified and easy when dealing with 2-digit numbers. But in this example, we have 3-digit number and a 2-digit number. So this example requires us to calculate the intersections of this diagonal. Out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Write down 9, carry out 2, and then the second step, the third step to this example requires us to calculate the cross sections of this diagonal. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. We write the 8 down and carry our 1. If you've been following the video, we can notice a pattern here. When we start at the bottom right, we start at the units. And if our cross section for this calculation is greater than 9, we carry the next digit to the following column. So for example, we calculated 12 for this cross section over here, our bottom right. So 12 is greater than 9. So we write down our 2 and we carry our 1. We've started to write our number in this block. So for the next diagonal or selection of cross sections, we'll write our number in the following column. So we wrote 29 in our tens column, and since 29 is greater than 9, we carry out 2 to the hundreds. And then the second diagonal, we calculated 18 cross sections. So we write our 18 under hundreds column, and then we carry our 1 to the thousands. So for each group of cross sections, we move to the next column. And for our last top left group of cross sections, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we write our 7 in our thousands. And since 7 is not greater than 9, we don't have to carry any digit. And then just simply fill in the rightmost open cells with zeros to make our additions easier for us. So we add our units. 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 9 plus 0 plus 0 is 10. We don't write out 10 down, but we carry our 1. We add out 2, 0, 0, 0. We write out 2 down. We add out tens. 1 plus 9 plus 0 plus 0 is 10. We don't write out 10 down. We write out 0, carry out 1. 2 plus 8 is 10 plus 0 and plus 1 is 11. We write our 1 down and we carry our 1 over. 1 plus 7 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Our answer is 9,102. Well, let me do a quick long multiplication to prove to check if this is correct. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 20 is 80. 4 times 100, 400. 70 times 3, 210. 70 times 20, it's 1400. 70 times 100, 7000, and we add 2, 0, carry 1, 1, carry 1, 9. So you can do this on the side, or you can use your calculator to check. If you prefer using the Japanese multiplication, implement a different method to check whether your answers are correct. So let's do one last example where we will add a 0 in one of the digits or one of the numbers. So let's take a look at this example where we have a 3-digit number consisting of a 0 now. So most of you have requested for an example to be done containing a 0 in a few other content creators channel. So I'll be doing an example on my channel, and if you would like to see more of these examples, please let me know in the comment section, and I will try my best to provide as many examples as you guys would like. So let's start our solution. So our vertical lines for the first digit consist of a 1. We leave a space open for the 0, and then for the third digit we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Second number, first digit is 1. Second digit of the second number is 3. 1, 2, 3. So let me just make it neat. So first step, start at the bottom right, and what I would like to do, or what I like to do when I have a 0 in my one of my numbers, I draw a block to tell me that there are zeros. There's a 0 that supposed to be shown here. So first step, bottom right, we calculate the cross sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So basically 7 times 3, 21. Since 21 is greater than 9, we carry the 2 to our tens. And then we do our next cross section. We take into account our 0. Our 0 is indicated by this block. So we count our cross sections of this diagonal. Since it's 0 here, we take 0 and then we add the cross section of the top right group, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We write our 7 down in our tens, and then our next cross section includes this cross section over here, cross section group, and our 0 here. So it's 1, 2, 3. And then let me just add another row. And lastly, we add our cross section in our top left corner, which is 1. And then we're filling our rightmost cells with zeros to make our addition easier. So it's 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 0 is 3, and then our 1. And our final answer is 1391. Let me quickly check. 3 is 21, it's 0, 300, 10, 70, it's 0, 1000 plus 1000. Over 1000, we have 1931. The answer is correct. And since this video was long overdue, I will post another video immediately after this. If you like the video and enjoy the content, please like the video and subscribe. I want to get this channel to 50 subscribers. So please comment down below the comment section for examples and I'll address them in the upcoming videos. Like this video once again. Subscribe if you're new. Stay safe. Goodbye.